What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to claim invite reward in Worldcoin. So you might be wondering how to exactly claim your invite reward here. Well, claiming your invite reward here is fairly easy. So first things first is you want to open up the World app here and just access your account. Now from here at the top right, you should see a gear icon. So you want to press that gear icon. Now in the following page, you should see your settings here. Now, usually in the settings page, at the very bottom of your screen, you should see an option here that says claim reward. Now, to be speaking, this may or may not be visible to you, so it actually depends on your account. But usually it's going to say something like this: redeem invite. Now, from then on, once you press on it, it should ask you to basically enter the invite code that you've received or that you want to use here. But to be speaking, this is what it usually looks like. So invite code, this is just an example. You just copy the invite code here. And from then on, you can go and just basically redeem the invite code via this way. So yeah, just enter the details, the invite code here, and just confirm it, and you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.